highest-earning B2B agencies have stopped hiring SDRs. They aren't adding more headcount to scale. They're doing the opposite. They've shifted to a zero-employee lead gen machine, a system that finds the leads, researches the triggers, and writes the personalized outreach, all while the founder sleeps. I've spent the last few months dissecting the workflows of agencies hitting $50K a month and beyond. The secret isn't a better script. It's a superior stack. Integrating Clay for deep data enrichment, OpenAI for hyper-personalization, and Make.com to glue it all together. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I will show you the exact blueprint to build this machine from scratch. No fluff, no AI hype, just the technical workflow to automate your B2B growth for 2026. Let's dive in. Most agency owners think scaling is a headcount game. You think to hit $50K a month, you need a team of hungry SDRs grinding out cold emails. But here is the reality: hiring is a trap. You spend weeks training someone, only for them to send 50 generic, robotic messages a day that get marked as spam instantly. Now you aren't a CEO anymore. You're a full-time manager, babysitting a pipeline that barely moves. And the quality? It's plummeting. Prospects can smell a template from a mile away. That "I saw your profile and loved your insight" line. It's dead. To actually win today, you need hyper-personalization at scale. But doing that manually is a nightmare. One lead takes 20 minutes of research. Multiply that by 100 leads. Your entire day is gone. You're stuck in a loop. You need more volume to grow, but more volume kills your quality. And more employees kill your margins. You're working harder, but your profit per client is shrinking. You've built a job for yourself, not a scalable machine. This is exactly why the top 1% have stopped hiring for lead gen entirely. Here is the reality. Most agencies fail to scale because they scale headcount, not systems. They hire an SDR, pay a base salary, and hope for the best. The top 1% have stopped doing that. They've replaced the human SDR with a zero-employee lead gen machine. This system doesn't sleep, doesn't miss follow-ups, and costs a fraction of a single employee's salary. It's built on 3 pillars: Clay for data, OpenAI for intelligence, and Make.com for the plumbing. Let's break down the exact architecture. Step 1, the intelligence layer. We start with Clay. Forget basic lead lists. Clay is a data orchestration tool. It allows you to pull leads from LinkedIn, then instantly enrich them using 50+ different providers. Instead of just knowing a lead's job title, you now know they just raised a Series B, they use Shopify, and their CEO just posted about AI on LinkedIn. But data without context is just noise. That's where step 2 comes in, the personalization engine. We feed that enriched Clay data into OpenAI or Claude AI. We don't ask it to write an email. That's how you get flagged as spam. Instead, we use a reasoning prompt. We tell the AI, analyze this lead's recent LinkedIn post and their company's growth metric. Find one specific pain point and write a 1-sentence observation. This turns a cold pitch into a warm conversation. It feels human because it's based on actual research. Finally, step 3, the automation glue. This is where Make.com takes over. Make is the nervous system of the entire operation. It monitors your Clay workspace for new, enriched leads. The moment a lead is qualified by the AI, Make triggers the sequence. It pushes the lead into your CRM, sends the personalized email via Instantly or Smart Lead, and notifies you in Slack that a high-value prospect has been contacted. You've just moved from manual prospecting to a system where your only job is to handle the booked calls. No SDRs, no manual research, just a scalable, automated pipeline that runs 24/7. This is how you decouple your income from your hours. If you want to build this exact system, I've put the links to make.com and Clay in the description below. Using these together is how you stop trading time for money. One agency I worked with implemented this exact workflow. They went from manually scraping lists to booking 15 high-ticket calls a week on autopilot. No SDRs, no payroll bloat, just a lean, AI-driven machine that scales. The gap between the top 1% and everyone else isn't hard work. It's leverage. If you're ready to stop grinding and start automating, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're dropping deep dives into AI automation every single week to keep you ahead of the curve. Check the links below to get started with Make and Clay today. Now, let's dive into the final step, optimizing your prompts for maximum conversion.